Hi, I'm Ray. Today it's a bit of a cold start of the day and all the leaves are turning lovely and golden all around here. So it's a good opportunity to harvest some leaves and make some leaf mould. So let me show you what we're going to do. So I've seen this wonderful pavement all full of these lovely crispy leaves, and it's a great time now to be collecting the leaves to make some leaf mould for the allotment garden. So better get on, collect some leaves. So from this relatively short piece of pavement, we've got 5 big bags of leaves for our leaf mould. So let me get these in the car and we go back to the allotment and I'll show you what we're going to do with these. So we had quite a successful trip and we've got 5 bags of leaves and they're looking really good, and there's several ways that we can make a leaf mould. So let me show you a few of them and how we can do it. So one of the easiest methods is to use a dark bag, and we've used these dustbin bags. We've got our leaves and we've got them in the bags, and the best thing to do, get a garden fork, dug some holes into the bag. This will allow the leaves to breathe and won't allow a gooey mush at the bottom of the bag. And these can just be sat out the way area and they would just rot down. It may take 2 years, but it would do their own job without any need for any extra help. Another traditional way is to make a cage for your leaves, and we're using 2 poles and we're sticking them into the ground with a round cage, and the leaves can go into the cage. And they will rot down on their own after we add the leaves. Chicken wire is a good option. These holes are slightly wider and that can just sit on the back of the polytunnel and it will rot down on its own accord. So any remaining leaves can be added onto the compost pile, and that will be a added bonus to the browns, which will be mixed up with the greens. So once the leaves are in the cage, it could take 1 year to 2 years to rot down, and then it will make a great soil conditioner or mulch that can go on top of the allotment garden.